What's up, TCLers? Welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle channel. On this channel, we talk about decentralization, crypto mass adoption, and other things that can bank us coin. I'm filling in today for our fearless leader, Francis, so he can get out there and get with the cryptocurrency projects in their early stages, making sure that they are worthwhile investments, not scams, and getting us those amazing pre-sale allocation opportunities that earn us those 10x, 50x, even 100x opportunities. Of course, if you're into banking coin and want those opportunities, you need to make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap that bell for notifications, because this is the only platform on YouTube that I've seen giving their community these insane opportunities to get in with projects before they even hit the exchanges. Speaking of a project in its pre-IDO phase, we're going to be talking about a very intriguing new blockchain project that aims to improve our social media options and experiences. Today, I don't think that there's anybody in modern society that doesn't participate on some type of social media platform in some way. Since their inception decades ago, social media has become entrenched in our lives and in our culture. But unfortunately, a lot of this power has accumulated in the hands of a few with the traditional .com social media companies, and the experience that we get is more and more one of intimidation, censorship, algorithmic abuse, and we just don't get anything in return for the time we spend on those platforms. Because of this, I think that the social token is going to be the next big craze in blockchain. Today, we are going to be talking about a hot new social media token that has not listed yet. And not only does it give a social experience, but it also aims to give NFT owners something that they've desperately been looking for. And that's the ability to show off their NFTs. You see, what's the point of buying multi-$1,000 NFT collectibles, art pieces, game items, if they're just on your computer screen in your office at home? That's why today's project has been aptly named Showcase, because it's a quick and convenient mobile social media app that has fully integrated NFT technologies that allows you to showcase your NFTs. One of the biggest problems with NFTs today is the gas prices, but the founders of Showcase envisioned this when they began the project long ago, and that's why they partnered with Polygon, built on Layer 2, so that they can give you an NFT experience that is gas-free. My name is Ryan with AI on Crypto. You can catch me 7 days a week on my regular channel, link in the description below. Without any further ado, let's get to this project today.
Crypto lifestyle, baby.
So the project we're diving into today is called Showcase. You can check them out at showcase.to. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, I'd like to remind you guys that we are not professional financial advisors. Cryptocurrency is very risky. Please do your own research and consult a real professional before making any big financial decisions. Ever since Bitcoin hit the scene in 2009, cryptocurrency has been totally redefining the way we look at things. First, it was currency. Then, it was the world of finance through DeFi. Now, NFTs are changing the landscape of collectibles, art pieces, and video games. Many people believe the next big transformation we're going to see in an industry from blockchain and decentralization is going to be social media. At a time when there's nothing hotter than NFTs, Showcase is bringing a blockchain solution to both social media, mass adoption, and giving more utility to NFTs as status items by allowing people an opportunity to show them off to friends and family. But Showcase is not just for the masses. It's actually going to really impact the creator space as well. The creator space continues to grow and grow and grow. And the more options an influencer has to engage with and interact with their audience, the better. Not only for the communities, but also for the creators themselves. And what Showcase is going to allow is for influencers of all sizes to easily create custom NFT badges that the most loyal and enthusiastic members of their audience are going to buy with their show tokens. giving creators yet another way to support themselves and their communities another way to floss their NFTs. So Showcase is not just trying to attract people that already own cryptocurrency. Their goals are ambitious. They are striving to onboard noobs into the NFT space through an easy, convenient mobile app, and this is big, with fiat integration. The founders of Showcase knew that if they wanted mass adoption, they had to make it easy for somebody who's never had a MetaMask wallet to actually get on board on their platform. Through the direct fiat integration that's going to be on Showcase, people that have never owned a token are going to be able to get show tokens and purchase NFTs with their credit and debit cards, creating a wallet for them in the process. And this is huge, especially considering just how explosive NFTs are getting. And without a doubt, NFTs are becoming a household name. In fact, I was just watching a big boxing match last night, and they discussed making commemorative NFTs to mark the occasion for boxing fans to buy, and then Showcase would give them that platform to show it off. One of the problems that the NFT space has been having is the incredibly high gas fees that is associated with buying and trading NFTs. Showcase saw this problem from the beginning, which is why they partnered with Polygon, formerly known as Matic. This partnership allows Showcase to trade NFTs from various blockchains without having to pay gas fee. With a Matic bridge to connect them to OpenSea, they are already integrated with the biggest and most active NFT marketplace in the world today. This allows Showcase incredible scalability, putting no limitations on how big their user base can get. Currently, over 1,000 creatives from around the world are currently registered on Showcase. In fact, these influencers of all sizes, from 1,000 subscribers to hundreds of thousands to millions of subscribers, are going to onboard their audiences to the Showcase platform when they decide to create their page. This is going to give further utility to the show token, as it allows them to stake their coins with their favorite creators, allowing them to earn airdrops, future NFTs, and other perks associated with the OG status that those NFT badges give them. And for creators, there's going to be great incentive to join this platform, because it's going to make it very easy for the influencers to create custom NFT badges that they can then give to their audience. The community members are going to take their show tokens and stake them with the creator of their choice to earn NFT badges that they can put in their showcase. By having these NFT badges, it's going to cement them as OG members of the creators community. Also, these badges will be tradable in the secondary market, so there's value in owning them. So how does it work? The creators are going to create unique and rare limited edition badges backed by your brand and sold to your supporters. Badges are permanently secured on the blockchain and cannot be duplicated or cheated. For the creators, there's going to be a very user-friendly creator tool that allows the creation of these NFTs for people that aren't even super technically savvy. So the onboard process for a creator to bring their audience over would be to first tell their fans they're launching a badge on Showcase. Reach out to your supporters across your social platforms to sell your badge. Apply to become a verified creator to get exclusive access to the creator tool. Step 2, create a custom badge and launch. Each badge is a custom and unique item built with our easy-to-use creator tool and can use your own design or work with our in-house team of designers. Step 3, let your supporters showcase your brand. Supporters buy your badge, spreading your brand and building your community. Fans truly own your badge and can trade it in the app, connecting creators with fans. So as you can see, this is a very, very cool way for content creators to just get another way to monetize themselves and engage with their community. And the community's members are going to be protected by Showcase from scam artists by not simply allowing anybody to claim they're a creator and just start making NFT badges. There is going to be a vetting process the creators have to apply to Showcase on the front end to become verified and gain access to that NFT creator tool. But guys, with Showcase, it's not all about the NFT bling bling and the stack and show tokens. More and more young people these days, They want to make sure that their money is going to good causes. So the founders have integrated a philanthropic component to the staking mechanisms in place for when community members stake their show tokens with their favorite influencer. The content creator will be able to pick their favorite charity or cause, put it on their page. That way their audience knows that when they're staking their show tokens on that creator, it's going to a good cause. And as the collective consciousness of the world continues to move further and further to idealistic goals, this is going to be incredibly important for the longevity of this project. And one of the things Showcase did that was really smart, they started by thinking about the mobile app. More and more people are using their smartphones as their entire database of social media. So they're going to make it super easy to get Showcase from the App Store with that fiat integration to just start bringing people in left and right that have never owned crypto before. With all of these things in place, Showcase is an incredibly exciting project. When you look at the market cap of the traditional .com social media companies, you see that there is incredible amounts of wealth in the social media space. With blockchain delivering more value to its users than .com social medias could ever dream to do, whoever emerges as a leader in the blockchain social media space is going to be a titan, and the early holders of the token are going to have explosive gains. And the fact that Showcase is focusing not only on social media, but they're also working with the creator niche, connecting content creators with their audience, and also capitalizing on the NFT craze, to me, this looks like a Frankenstein's monster that is ready to come to life. This project will be coming soon, and Showcase is not one that you're going to want to miss out on. So make sure that you stay tuned to this channel. If you didn't do it already, tap the like button, hit subscribe. Of course, tap the bell for all notifications so you don't miss any potential pre-sale opportunities with Showcase or any other project that launches with the help of this community. I hope you liked this video. It's been real, but you guys know the deal. Like the man Francis always says, until next time, you're on your own, man.